team video.
Here we go. Quite scenic. Yeah. By 6:30. Trip holiday. Oh my god, why is everyone so shit?
Sorry?
So Francis, show us how it's done. There we are, that's how Delma's doing it.
We're not racing.
I don't want to put your lives in danger. You're exercising.
We're not racing.
Who's going to do all the work? How do I know where to go? I don't know where it's pointing. It's pointing. Oh, turn it around, turn it around.
Yes, no, it's the wrong way around.
Turn it.
So that's facing you, so this is to left.
Oh, hello. Right.
And everything is going to be in slow motion.
Okay. Where's one? This is actually loads of fun. It's fun for me, I'm not sure about you. Oh, watch out for beginners. When they do that, that's very scary. If Vanna was here, he would be pushing you so fast. Really? You would be cross with him. He did that with me when we went ice skating. He went really, really fast, and I was like, no, I'm really unhappy about it. We're coming! We're coming through! Woohoo! Okay. Oh, good luck, Jackie. Yeah. Thanks, Jackie. Whee! All the way around.
Oh, behind you, behind. That's hilarious.
You can walk out. You actually did.
I'll watch out behind you.
Wow, how did you? I don't know how you stayed up hot. Okay. Lean forward.
Lean forward.
In the moment you feel like you're gonna fall, you go backwards.
Imagine if you're going skiing and you're just leaning like that.
This one's separate. I didn't have speed.
I've got it all rotated. We need to drink really.